Hello! In this video, I will show you how to easily add AdSense codes to your Blogger website. If you want to learn in more detail how to earn income through AdSense and YouTube, you can check out the socialskillhub.com website. There, completely free courses on these topics are waiting for you. If you're ready, let's start. Without wasting time, let's get straight to the point. First, we log into our AdSense account and click the Ads tab. Then, we click the Copy AdSense Code button and copy our code from the window that opens. Now we switch to our Blogger panel. From the left menu, we click on the Theme section. We press the small arrow next to the Customize button and open the Edit HTML option. The page that appears is the code section of your site. Here, by pressing Ctrl and F on the keyboard, we type head into the search box. After finding this tag, we open a new line right below it and paste the AdSense code we copied earlier here. Finally, we click the Save button in the top right corner. The process is complete. Now your site is ready for the AdSense application. Thank you for watching. Wishing you high earnings.